guys, it's Janice here, and today I'm going to show you how to make DIY fluffy slime. The things you're going to be needing is white glue or clear glue, shaving cream, baking soda, or contact lens solution. If you don't have contact lens solution at home, you can use borax with water or Tide. The first step is to add your white glue or clear glue. You can add how much ever you like. It depends on how big you want your slime to be. The second step is to add your shaving cream. I like to add in a lot because I want it to be really fluffy. Now you're going to mix it until the shaving cream and glue dissolves together. The next step is to add your baking soda. I'm going to first put it on my palm and show you how much you're supposed to add in. You're supposed to add in like a pinch, then dump that in and mix it all together. Now it's time to add your activators, such as borax, Tide, or contact lens solution. Add a few squirts at a time, so then it won't be too much and your slime will be really hard and stiff. Put more and more activator until your slime gets not sticky and it doesn't stick to the sides of your bowl. As you can see, it's starting to form fluffy slime. It's starting to come off the sides of the bowl. Then you're going to touch it to feel if it's sticky. If it's still sticky, then add more activator. And then put it on your table and start kneading with your hands. Keep on adding more activator if it's still too sticky. And that's how you make DIY fluffy slime. I hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, comment down below. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!